Hi, it's Melinda Harris with the Harris team. We've had a crazy weekend. Hurricane Hilary in Southern California has been a little nuts. I hope that everyone stayed safe and didn't have a lot of damage to their property. It's not a good thing, and I know it was a little scary, and our pets and all of that, it was a little bit nuts. But I just wanted to let you know, if you have any damage at all, there's always places to go. You can go to insurance.ca.gov for assistance through the state of California. Or if you had major damage, we always have the option of the federal government. So that would be FEMA.gov. And if you do have any damage, I hope everything goes well for you. If there's anything we can do for you, please let us know. Amy and I are always here to help with any of your real estate needs. So if you need direction, or if you need referrals for contractors or anything like that, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help. Hope everyone was very safe. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.